1 year in, revenue sharing on Shorts shows how your passion on YouTube pays off. YouTube Shorts now has an average of over 70 daily views since launching in 2021. This 60 seconds, or less, format has given creators new avenues to earn money, and the Shorts community is beginning to thrive with new forms of creativity and fresh voices to the platform. We're now marking 1 year since introducing revenue sharing on Shorts, our latest way to earn through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. We believe in the power of partnership, and that's reflected in our continued commitment to our unique business model built on the premise that we only succeed when our creators do, whether they're new to the platform or longtime creators in the program. It's still early, but we're starting to see creators' passion pay off. Since introducing revenue sharing on Shorts last year, more than 25% of channels in YPP are now earning through this revenue stream. The beauty of YouTube is that creators have the opportunity to succeed both creatively and financially. We're now seeing that of the creators who joined YPP by meeting the Shorts eligibility thresholds. More than 80% are now also earning through other YPP monetization features on YouTube, be it long-form advertising, fan funding, YouTube Premium, Brand Connect, shopping and more. This means that Shorts is opening the door for creators to earn in other ways on the platform, and they're seeing the dividends. Today, YouTube is the only platform that gives creators the option to upload content across different formats: Shorts, VOD, Live, podcast and audio, and earn money from multiple revenue streams. We're amazed by the creators who come to YouTube every day to share their passions and build businesses. But don't just take our word for it. Meet 5 creators who share a glimpse of what's possible through the power of Shorts. 1. Alan Chikin Chow, 38.7 subscribers, a creator, actor, producer, comedian, entrepreneur, and changemaker. Alan has conquered the global charts as the #1 most watched YouTube Shorts creator, renowned for his uplifting content which inspires and brings joy to millions of dedicated viewers around the globe. Alan shares that revenue sharing on Shorts has really changed the game for me and my channel. As a Shorts-first creator and one of the most viewed channels in the US, I've seen what's possible creatively through the format. But revenue sharing has delivered a sustainable way to continue to build my business. I trust YouTube to do right by me and my community, and that trust and experience is what makes it work. I didn't know what to expect with Shorts rev share, but I am very comfortably making a living off that revenue alone, full-time, unlike any other platform. As a hybrid account, I still make the majority of my revenue from Shorts. Sydney Morgan. 2. Sydney Morgan, 7.6 subscribers. Shorts first. Sydney is one of the fastest growing beauty creators on the platform. Sydney fell in love with makeup during the pandemic when she was diagnosed with Crohn's disease. Turning a challenging time into a positive experience, Sydney used this to fuel her passion for beauty and content creation. Sydney shares that I didn't know what to expect with Shorts rev share, but I am very comfortably making a living off that revenue alone, full-time, unlike any other platform. As a hybrid account, I still make the majority of my revenue from Shorts. So much potential and opportunity with rev share that creators are definitely missing out on if they aren't taking advantage. Easiest way to grow yourself or your business on YouTube. 3. Mrusa Thebos, 18.2 subscribers. Arun Maini is an economics graduate from the UK whose life's passion is technology. He's on a mission to make technology content both useful and more fun. In his own words, YouTube Shorts has been absolutely transformative. The ability to find new audiences with videos that take a fraction of the time to produce has been such a key catalyst for our growth. For perspective, it took us 10 years to hit 1 billion views with long-form content. As soon as we started Shorts, we hit our second billion in less than 10 months. The monetization in particular, while still not close to the income generated by long-form content, has been really helpful in terms of covering the costs of our Shorts shoots and allowing us to justify spending money in the production process to make even better content. 4. Rebecca Rogers, 2.4 subs, high school social studies teacher turned full-time content creator. Rebecca began her journey with Shorts during the pandemic to connect with her students. Her comedic videos, based on her experiences in the classroom, quickly led her to her channel exploding and a realization that her future lay in the global classroom of comedy. Rebecca shares that, "I really just stumbled into Shorts, first trying to connect with my students and have a laugh during a difficult time. But I can truly say, Shorts have changed my life. Since going to YouTube full-time and committing to Shorts, I've been able to buy a home, a car, and support myself with a higher salary than I ever made as a teacher. I love bringing joy to other people around the world while powering my own career." 5. It's Maisy, 10.4M subs. Indonesian creator, Maisy is best known for her relatable and comedic product reviews. Since getting started with Shorts, she was able to grow her channel to over 10M subscribers in just 2 years. She shares that, "Because of the community I've built with Shorts, I've been able to expand my channel and start uploading longer videos, too. I feel like the time I invest on YouTube is really worth it. I've been able to connect and collaborate with other creators in the Shorts community, and know that my videos will gain traction and earn revenue over time." More like this. "When we introduced YPP 16 years ago, we built a system that rewards, protects, and celebrates great content and the creative minds behind it. Beginning with just a handful of creators, it's grown to more than 3 million creators globally. And YouTube has paid $70 billion to creators, artists, and media companies over the last 3 years, more than any other creator monetization platform. While this is an important moment, we're still at the beginning of our journey of broadening opportunity through Shorts. Long form will continue to deliver great results for the community, and now with Shorts, we're starting to see how bringing together creators, viewers, and advertisers has grown the short-form video ecosystem, bringing fresh opportunity to the community both creatively and financially. As the creator community continues to invest in Shorts, this will only grow.